Alright guys, here we are at Black Mountain Trail. And I'm about to do a bike check with this guy right here, Lodi Chris. There he is. Hello sir.
What's up?
Please introduce your bike.
Got the 2019 NORCO Range VLT. Go.
Range. What kind of grip is that, sir?
This is the.
It's Vans, right? Is it made of Vans? Company Vans?
Something brand, I forgot.
And then what kind of brake is this, sir?
This is RSC SRAM. 4 pistons. Got Fox 36, 180 travel front, 170 in the back. Rock shocks, ultimate.
And what kind of pedal is this?
This is T-Mac.
T-Mac. And what kind of saddle is this, sir?
Ergon.
Nice.
Best seat.
And then what's the range of your bar?
780.
780. And then the brand is
DD.
There you go. And what kind of I'm interested with this tools right here, man.
This is
It's
where I
nice.
keep my tools. I always forget.
Wow, that's nice, man.
Water bottle. Never forget it. It's always there with you, you know?
That's a beautiful bike.
Thank you.
You want to say something? Your Instagram, if you want to follow Instagram, sir?
Follow me on Instagram, themtbloc.
Yes.
Peace out.
All right, guys. Here's the view where we at right now. We're doing about a little night ride today. Enjoy your Thursday evening.